I found these faux flowers on Amazon and I really like them. Actually, I'd gotten some other ones previously and really liked those. So when my marigolds that were in these baskets died, I decided not to replace them with live flowers that I'd have to water in our Central Texas August heat. And I picked these up off of Amazon and literally stuck them in the dirt after I pulled the marigolds out. You can see some dead marigolds in that pot, and I'll pull those out today. But I love the fake or faux flowers and greenery that Amazon has. They're just wonderful and they last a long time. I've had some of these in the big pots for several months now, and I still have live plants up here on the porch, but they may or may not make it through the next couple of weeks of over 100 degrees. The plastic flowers will make it just fine. And I like how they look on the porch. I like how they look from this side too. Just pretty color that will last all year long. And when I'm traveling, my mom and I live together, and when I'm traveling, I don't have to worry about her having to water them. She's 82 and doesn't walk so good anymore, so I really don't want her tripping over everything. So this allows us to have pretty flowers that she can see from the window that she doesn't have to water. If you found this video, you like the flowers too, Bailey? If you found this video helpful, follow my shop for other great Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.